everything. The theme of our video is Wake Up Call on COVID-19. In this video, we all will tell you about what is COVID-19, its precautions, and number of people are affected in India. I hope you will understand our points and follow them. So friends, let's start. First, what is COVID-19? COVID-19 or Corona is an infectious and communicable disease caused by a newly founded coronavirus. Older people, those who have medical problems like diabetes, cancer, respiratory disease and many more are more likely to develop serious illness. Coronavirus has reached to more than 200 countries, infected to more than 70 lakhs people and became a pandemic. Friends, coronavirus or COVID-19 is a very dangerous disease as there is no medicine or no vaccination to prevent or to cure. Now my friends are going to tell you about how to take precautions.
Social distancing. Social distancing is also known as physical distancing. Means keeping space between yourself and other people outside from your home. To practice social and physical distancing, keep at least 6 feet distance between two persons. Do not gather in groups and stay out of crowded places and avoid mass gathering.
Here are some points we have to follow when we sneeze or cough while we are out from home. Mask. We should always wear a mask so that it would not spread the viruses of our cough. We should always carry a handkerchief with ourselves to cover our nose when we sneeze, as there could be up to 40,000 bacterial water droplets in our saliva that can communicate through hundreds of people. Tissue. After coughing or sneezing into a tissue paper, be sure to throw it into a dustbin and wash your hands with soap.
3.
Bent elbow. In a case where you have not any handkerchief, tissue paper or mask, so you should use your bent elbow like this to prevent viruses from spreading.
Disposal of tissue paper. After using the tissue paper, find a suitable bin which should have a lid and throw the tissue paper in the bin. After that, sanitize your hand or wash your hand for 20 seconds. This will prevent the spread of coronavirus or COVID-19.
Mask. As you all know, the pandemic COVID-19 is spreading worldwide and it is important to stay protected. Today I am going to show you how to use a mask. First of all, hold the strips of the mask. Cover your mouth and nose with the mask. Usually there is a metallic strip on the mask from where you should cover your mouth and nose. Now I am going to tell you how to remove a mask. First of all, don't be in a hurry. Gently hold the strips of the mask and remove it. Never try to touch the front of the mask. If you have done so, wash your hands with the alcohol-based hand rub. Stay home, stay protected.
Gloves. How to wear gloves. Touch only the restricted area of the glove. Wear the glove. Then take the other glove with the other hand. To avoid touching the skin, use the gloved hand to wear the other glove. Once gloved, now your hands are protected from COVID-19.
Sanitizer. Hand
Hand sanitizer are gel that contain alcohol to kill the germs present on the skin. It also helps in killing the bacteria and viruses. At this time, it is very needed to protect ourselves from the spreading of COVID-19. We all must apply hand sanitizers on our hands to protect us from coronavirus.
Face shield. Face shield. Face shield is a shield which protects our face from the germs. It has a plastic sheet which covers our face so that germs could not fall to our face directly.
Wash your hands. Step 1. Wash your hands in water. Step 2. Apply soap and rub your hands for at least 5 seconds. Step 3. Come in the between and rub your hands. Now invert your hands and rub your fingers. Step 4. Rub your thumbs properly. Step 5. Put your fingertips on your palm and rub it. Now wash your hands properly and wipe them. In this way, we can stop the spreading of coronavirus and can kill germs easily.
No path is impossible. No task is difficult. If your resolution is strong, we have to be dedicated to make ourselves self-reliant and see the things in a positive way. We all are one and we shall